Hold up! Before you smash that subscribe button, let me ask, how many times have you tried filming yourself only to end up with a shaky mess or your arm awkwardly in frame, or struggled to get that perfect group shot but someone's stuck behind the camera? Yeah, we've all been there. It's the silent struggle of modern creators. But what if I told you there's a little gadget, straight out of a secret lab, that solves all of that? Today, we're not just reviewing a product. We're introducing a game changer for your creative freedom. Meet the Sony GP-VPT3 wireless shooting grip. It's simple, powerful, and about to make your filming life a whole lot smoother. Let's be real, we're all looking for those tools that just get what we need, and the GP-VPT3 absolutely gets it. First, as a handheld grip, it's genuinely comfortable. Sony wasn't messing around with ergonomics here. It fits perfectly, making long vlogging sessions or following action feel natural. But the real game changer is how effortlessly it pivots. One smooth flick, and your camera goes from capturing the world in front of you to perfectly framing you for that selfie-style vlog. No unscrewing, no frantic readjusting, just pure, fluid motion. Then there's its secret weapon. It transforms into a mini tripod. Just splay out the legs and boom, instant, stable setup. Perfect for solo creators filming tutorials, time lapses, or finally getting into that group photo. Way better than your usual stack of books. But the real magic? The detachable wireless remote, RMT VP2. It clips right into the grip, and once popped out, gives you full control from up to 10 meters away. Hit record, walk into frame, and deliver your shot. No more awkward dashes or out of focus takes. It's like having a silent, dedicated camera operator at your command. This isn't some cheap remote with just a record button. Oh no. The commander is packed with real controls. You've got your shutter and movie buttons naturally, but then there's the AF on button for quick focus and a magical C1 button that mirrors your camera's custom C1 function. That means if you've got focus peaking, zebras, or a specific shooting mode assigned to C1 on your camera, you can trigger it directly from the remote. Total genius for quick on-the-fly adjustments. Plus, zoom/focus buttons with a lock switch let you control power zooms or fine-tune manual focus. And that little LED lamp? It's your confirmation light, so you know exactly what your camera's doing without running back to check. And for those of us who actually take our gear outside, gasp, the GP-VPT3 is built for real life. It connects via Bluetooth, which means a far more stable connection than those old, finicky, infrared remotes. No more line-of-sight headaches or dropped signals in bright sunlight. Plus, it boasts dust and moisture resistance. That means you can take it on adventures without immediately panicking if a stray splash hits it. And because it connects wirelessly, you don't even need to open your camera's port covers, enhancing your camera's own weather sealing. It's like a little bodyguard for your tech. For the detail lovers, the grip weighs just 179 grams, 6.4 ounces, and supports up to 1.5 kilograms, 53 ounces. Ideal for most mirrorless setups. It's compact in grip mode, 49.5 by 173 by 39.8 millimeters, and unfolds into a sturdy tripod. With flexible tilt angles, you can frame shots from almost any position. Bottom line, the Sony GP-VPT3 is a game changer. It turns solo shooting from a hassle into a breeze. No more balancing acts, just smooth professional control. It's one of those small accessories that solves a mountain of big problems. If you're a Sony shooter, especially if you find yourself behind the camera frequently, this isn't just a nice to have. It might just become that indispensable piece of gear you wonder how you ever lived without. What are your thoughts on the GP-VPT3? Do you use a grip like this, or are you still living that precarious tripod life? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, or at least mildly entertaining, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.